morning is a great time to enjoy some warm banana oatmeal. Let's make it. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine 2 cups of low-fat milk, an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Now you're going to want to cook this on medium heat until the milk and the water become steaming hot, but we don't want it to boil. You may want to stir your milk occasionally to keep it from scorching on the bottom. Our milk is starting to steam, so we're going to remove it from the heat. We're going to pour in 2 cups of quick oats. We're going to add 2 mashed bananas, and these have just been mashed with a fork, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. We're going to mix this until it becomes creamy. It'll take a minute or 2. Our oatmeal is now nice and creamy and ready to serve. This recipe serves 4 and is 270 calories per serving. Enjoy. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.